Good day everyone, my name is Hanis Putri binti Hardin and this is my reflection video on Tenenet tutorial. So to use the Tenenet, first we need to create our account at the Tenenet website, and from that website we are able to obtain the game token to use it in Unity. But we need to add a new game first, and from the game created in the Tenenet, there are view section where we can find the metrics, rules and leaderboard that can be added to the game. And in Unity, first we need to create an empty game object, and script will be added to the game object, and in this script we need to include the Unity engine networking and paste the game token that we obtained from the Tenenet website. Then we created the alias, first name, last name and ID. And next we need to create a function that called a register new player, and in this function we will get the player's info to register in the game. The start quarantine will be called in the start function, so when we run the game on Unity, the console will show that player successfully registered, and if we run again, the debug will show that the player already exists, means it successfully registered. Then we add another function in the script, which is the get player function, and in this function, when we run the game, the debug will show the player's alias, first name, last name, ID, and also the status successfully registered. In this tutorial, I found that Tenenet is very useful to include the gamification elements such as the leaderboard, the score gained by the players, and also the rules in the game. And that's all from me. Thank you.